Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and as you know, we are heading to the earning week with many mega cap stocks. They're going to report next week, so the market will be more volatile depending on the outcome of their earning because they carry a heavy weight for the S&P 500. But it will be a fun week to trade the future indices. Today, I'm going to analyze 5 mega cap stock by using a technical analysis on the chart, and I will pick up the best stocks so that we can see what they are doing next week. All right, so let's start with the Facebook. As you can see here, when the market has been going up the last 2 weeks, but the Facebook is after run up here, and then they are still sideways jumping in the downside. So this is a very difficult, or when you trade the earning, it's hard to tell they'll be able to go higher or lower. So the 50-50 chance, they can see on the Facebook right now. But in terms of downturn, the Facebook still look like they have some issue. So below here is the support level that Facebook, if they fail to have a good earning, they can file the support right here, and the people will buy back because overall it's still a good stock to carry in the long term. But if they're able to break out the downtrend line here, so they have a potential to put it back up and continue to go higher to the upside. The next stock that we're going to take a look is the Apple. Apple here, they also are now earning next week here. And as you can see that Apple, after they pull back down, and the last couple of weeks they continue to head up. So in terms of support, the Apple have a strong support at this level here, and the potential target is up to $150 here. So right now in the last 1 week, the Apple still hold up very tight here. So in terms of momentum, I think that Apple will still be able to continue to put it up to the upside. And the next one that we're going to look at is the Amazon. So Amazon, look at the chart of Amazon. Amazon has been back and forward, so they are going nowhere. As you can see here, they are ran bound between the top, go back to sell zone, pull back to buy zone, sell zone, and buy zone. So seems like Amazon still have some issue here. Okay, in the downturn, they have a strong support here at this level, and if they're able to clear this resistance here, and then they can get up there. So this is a sideways market here, so it's very hard to pick the Apple to be go up to the upside. But let's see, what they are when they're now earning. If it's a good earning, surprise earning, they will continue to go up. Otherwise, we will see that they will continue to rip down to the downside. And the next one is the Microsoft. Microsoft is different chart, very strong. They continue to make it high low here. And then the last 1 week, Microsoft it hold up very tight. And then after breakout here, and then they yet win a lot of billion-dollar contract from Israel, from U.S. government. So in the long term, Microsoft is still a very strong stock, okay, to buy, and then they have a potential to continue to have a good earning quarter by quarter. They have been beating the quality earning every quarter. So this is another potential stock. Probably they can have a good earning. And the next one here is the Google. So Google is also a very strong stock. As you can see here, they continue at dominant the upside with a lot of product. And as you can see here, and Google it continue to put it up to the upside, and like Microsoft, and then Google it still have potential to beat the earnings. So the target, if they can continue up, target will be up there. All right, so out of 5 stock here, my choice is the Apple, Microsoft, and Google. That will be a 3 strongest one. They have potential to continue to go up. The next one will be Facebook. So Facebook is a little bit tricky here because they have been going down for the last 2 weeks unless they have a surprise earning, and before in order for them to make a good earning and go higher. And Amazon is a sideways stock, so it looks like they still stick in the rainbow there unless they be able to do something new but I doubt it. So this one here is still in the sideways. So the best one is still Apple, Microsoft, and Google. So let's see how they are coming out with the earnings next week, and then we will see. Now I'm going to go to the weekly market forecast for the week of April 25th, 2021. Last week we are in the sideways correction, and Friday S&P 500 try another attempt to put up for the upside, as you can see here. So that's why they put it up. They joking around for the last couple of days, and after Mr. Biden, he go to increase the tax to almost double. So that's why the market doesn't like it. But on Friday, they were able to find a way to put it back up. They tried to break an all-time high, couldn't do it in the last minute, so they pull back again. So let's see next week if a lot of mega cap stock and now good earning, depend on the outcome there. They can tell it they will continue to put it up or not. Okay, and right now they're still below the high here, so technically it's still the sideways market. All right, and if you look at the Nasdaq also after a couple of days pull back down, and on Friday they try to get back, but they are still below the high on the beginning of the week. So let's see if they will carry momentum to go higher next week or not. Okay, and if you look at the Dow is also pretty strong. The Dow it hold up very tight. Okay, they go sideways, and let's see next week they'll be able to continue to carry that momentum. And if you look at the volatility index, okay, they are in last week, couple of days, beginning of the week, they push it back up, and they try to climb back up, but up on Friday they slam it back down again, so they're still sideways. As long as the VIX is still in the low bow here, the market still have room to put it back up. Let's see how they are doing here. But if the VIX kick up, and then it will be more problem for the market. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, as you can see here, on the 2 weeks ago, I told you when the 10-year Treasury note hit to the sell zone, the people concerned that will cause the tech stock to collapse. But when it hit to here, they couldn't go higher. They pulled back down, and now they continue to go back down. So definitely it will help as long as they still continue to go lower, the technology stock still have the room to put it to the upside. And if you look at the crude oil it also continue to go up and down, but choppy, but it still have room to put it to the upside. And gold is also trying to find a way to put it back up after they break out here, and then they continue to put it high, low. As long as they still do that, gold will find a way to hit to the upper bound in the future here. And if you look at the Bitcoin, so the Bitcoin is as you look at my video when the day that Bitcoin hit here, right to the sell zone. So that I told you that, don't buy here. You wait for them to pull back to the buy zone. And now let's see if they're able to hold up the buy zone here and put it back higher. Same thing for Ethereum. Ethereum, after they hit to the sell zone, and then they drop like rock right into the buy zone. So they bow back up. So this is the critical level that, the people again worry. Some seller, some people nervous sell out, and some buyer get back in. So they are fighting for that area here. But the momentum at this point is still in the uptrend. So it is a very good support level at the buy zone. Okay, so let's see if we're able to break out the sell zone and go higher, or they will sideways for a while here before they can take up again. And if you look at the S&P 500 sector, the strongest one is still the financial. As you can see here, technology stock is still continue to push it up to the upside. So they still very strong, like Nasdaq. And the next one is the XLY consumer. This scenery is still far below, but the healthcare and biotech are still doing very well. They still continue to put it to the upside. And you can see here XLB, which is a material and industrial is still doing very strong too. As you can see here, we have a lot of money flowing to the market for infrastructure. So the industrial and the material, they are still in high demand right now. And the real estate is also doing very well. As you can see here, they continue to rumble to the upside after they break out with a cupboard handle pattern here. And I will continue to update during the middle of the week, so make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so I can notify you on the new update. Every day in our premium live trading room with our members, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction in E-mini SP 500 future so that my members can make some extra daily income. Then we analyze many stocks so that we can stay on the right side and make a bigger profit potential for swing trade. As you know that trading is a risky business, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. That's why as Stock Navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can trade with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every day until you are successful, and we will guide you in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can act and see how price action in real time. That is the only way that you can learn and manage your own financial future. This is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive and make money in this volatile market. If you are busy working and you don't have time to do your research, you can subscribe to our premium Watchlist watchlist, where I handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. You can check it out on the show more link button link below. For example, like stock AAPL, right? We get in when it break out, and we already get in here. Then our stop loss below and the target that in the upside we already predefined for our member. And let's see, YT, let's see this stock here. We enter here. We have a stop loss below here, and then they hit target 1, and people take profit, and the target 2 is already laid out there. Another one, for example, like floor and decor, after they break out with a cup handle, we enter here, and then we hit the target 1, and after we hit target 1, now we go for target 2. All right, so that's just some example that I want to show you how it look like in our premium watchlist. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please help me to expand my YouTube channel by clicking a thumb up like button or below, or any suggestion, please let me know so that I can make the YouTube channel better. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I'll see you during the week, and take care everyone.